G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 18th of October. Well, the currencies all got a pretty good boost yesterday, just after the New York close, where Moody's left the Spanish credit rating unchanged rather than downgrading it to junk status, as had been pretty much expected. So all the risk-related currencies, they all moved up pretty quickly. They are out of the safe haven dollar and the yen, really. So we've got the euro this morning at 131.15. It's been up to good resistance at just under 131.40. That's a very strong downtrend resistance going back over 12 months. So that's going to be tough to break. If we do break it, though, the next target will be 131.70, which is the previous high. And then above there, we're looking at levels above 132, but that remains to be seen at the moment. Dollar yen's just trying to edge above 79. It's finding it difficult, but the momentum does look mildly positive, and we could head towards 79.30. Cable that reached the top of its channel. It's currently at 161.40. Got to 161.77, I think it was, and it needs to get through there to make further headway. So we wait and see on that. And dollar Swiss is looking a little bit heavy. That's down at 92.20. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both responded pretty well to the news, very well really. The Aussie's up at 103 3/4. It's been a little bit higher, and the Kiwis at 82.15. That got up to 82.26 and has bounced pretty well off its lows of yesterday, following the CPI, the weaker CPI earlier in the week. So the focus now turns towards the EU summit in Brussels, which takes place today and tomorrow. No outcome is expected regarding the Greek and the Spanish bailout decisions, and as usual, I think it'll be a bit of a damp squib from what I read in the press. So we may see a little bit of profit taking on the euro if that remains the case. Before then, we got the China GDP in Asia today. The market's expecting 7.4%, although I do see a couple of banks, analysts are looking at 7.1%. That would take a bit of the steam out of the Aussie and the Kiwi, but we have to wait and see on that. And they'll provide the direction, really. The Chinese data and the summit in Brussels will provide the data to the direction today. So wait for those, and I think going into the weekend as well, we've got more on the summit tomorrow. So it's going to be a choppy affair, I think, until we get any resolution, but it looks as though Spain's not going to make any decision until early November on a bailout. So that's really about it today. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that, as usual, any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.